Hi, my name is Sid Nambiar, and today I'll be teaching you about factorial. So, what is factorial? Factorial of a number n is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. Note that the number that is needed to factorial is usually a positive integer. So, here's the factorial formula. The factorial of a number n is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 all the way to times 1. Now this is very tricky to understand, so it's way easier to visualize. But before we do anything, we need to know what the value of 0 factorial is. So the value of 0 factorial is equal to 1. This is a very tricky, so we can think of it like this. If we had no cookies at all, then how many ways can we orient that cookie? Even though there's nothing to put in order, there's one way to do it. Therefore, we have that the 0 factorial is equal to 1. So here's a factorial example and explanation. So what happened here was we had to find the value of 4 factorial. So to find 4 factorial, we need to find all of the numbers that is less than or equal to 4 factorial and find the product of it. And if you find the product of 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, you will get 24. Therefore, 4 factorial is equal to 24. So here is another example. We are asked to find what 6 factorial is. So I will open MS Paint and I will help you solve that question. So 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we are gonna have to find the product. So if we find the product of 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, we will get 720. Therefore, 6 factorial is equal to 720. Alright, we will go to the next example. It is asking, what is 5 factorial plus 7? So we will first step is we have to find what 5 factorial is, which is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And we actually see that if we do 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, we will end up with 120. Then it's the question asked what 5 factorial plus 7 is. So we do 120 plus 7, which is equal to 127. Therefore, 5 factorial plus 7 is equal to 127. Alright. So here's a real life example. Let's say that you have 3 chairs and 3 people want to sit on the chairs. How many different ways can you order it so that each person can sit on a chair? So what I will do is we see that we have 3 tables, right? So here are the 3 tables. Okay, hold on, I'm going to make it a bit smaller. So here are 3 tables, right? And then there are 3 people. So let's say that this table is for person A, this table is for person B, and this table is for person C, right? So we can rearrange it so that we have maybe A, C, D, maybe even C, A, B, or even C, B, A, and so on. But there is an easier way to do this. We can simply find what 3 factorial is. And if we do 3 times 2 times 1, 3 times 2 times 1, we will get 6. Therefore, there are 6 ways to arrange the 3 people to sit around 3 chairs. So hopefully you understood how to do factorial, and have a good day.